Hello guys, welcome back to this new video, and in this video we are going to discuss about Boolean data type. So far we have learned about numeric data type, where we talked about integers and floats, where integers are the whole numbers and float are the numbers having decimal digits. We talked about strings, where literals enclosed by double quotes or single quotes are strings, and now we are going to talk about Boolean, which can either have true or false as a value. Now let's see. Let's say I have an integer 5 in A and I have an integer B, and I compare these two integers. So after running this, it gives me a value of true. Now let's see the data type of this. A greater than B, which is a Boolean data type. So if A less than B, it is also Boolean, because that would turn out to be false. So in a Boolean object, it can only be true or false. Now Python also supports logical operators, where let's say I assign t, f is equals to true, false. Now let's see these logical operators. T and f, this AND performs as logical AND here, and T and F, true and false, that means it should be false. So here it is. Now T or F, 1 or 0, take it like this. So it should be 1, right? Because you must know how logical OR works. Similarly, not, wherever this not operator adds, it reverses the operation. So now we have not T, which becomes false. Similarly, T not is equals to false, that is true, because true cannot be equals to false. That means it is true, and that's what I have shown here. So in Boolean data types, we talked about two possible values in Boolean data type, which is either true or false. And we have also seen what conditional expression returns, which is also a Boolean data type, either true or false. This is it in the Boolean data type. See you in the next video.